Hi there and welcome to another episode of inkitdesigns. In this video, we'll do branding of an ice cream brand, Scoopy. So let's get started. So after going through all the typefaces, I have decided to work on this one, which is MV Boli. Let's first convert it into create outline so that we can further modify it. Since I'm working on an ice cream brand which targets mainly children, to evoke some sense of happiness, I'll convert this typeface into a bubbly one. And for this, I will use pencil tool and smooth tool. Now to further enhance and uplift the brand's identity and mood, I will replace this O with a smiley face. I believe joining the Y with the smile would do the work. I think that works because it is giving a very consistent look. Now let's work on brand's logo mark. Here I have used eraser, and then to further remove the unwanted line segments, I have used scissor. Adjust the thickness of your stroke before you expand it. If you want to learn how I did the brand presentation, don't forget to watch the second part of this video. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Till then, stay connected.